How to set up and use your M81 GC35 or GC150 battery charger. With the GC35, begin by plugging in the battery clamp lead connector to the matching connector on the charger. Connect the plug into your power socket and switch power to on. Wait until the green LED is illuminated. Pressing down the mode button for 5 seconds each time cycles you through different modes. 2 amp repair mode allows you to recover lead acid batteries that have been discharged below 10.5 volts. With a short press of the mode button, you can switch between normal lead acid or AGM 3.5 amp charging, as well as normal lead acid or AGM 2 amp charging. Now connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal of your battery, then the negative clamp to the negative terminal. After a few seconds, the current state of the battery's charging will display on the percentage indicator LEDs and charging will commence. Once the battery is fully charged, charging will cease. Now switch off the power supply and unplug the charger from mains power. Finally, disconnect the positive clamp and then the negative clamp from the battery. The M81 GC150 charger operates differently to the GC35. Begin by connecting the positive clamp to the positive terminal of your battery, then the negative clamp to the negative terminal. Now connect the plug to your power socket and switch power to on. As soon as the display changes to the second screen, press the mode button twice to enter the menu. You are in the menu when the small 12-volt LCD is flashing. Pressing the mode button once each time cycles through 12-volt, 24-volt and 6-volt charging modes. Double pressing the mode button switches to the current adjustment. Now pressing the mode button once cycles between 3 different levels of charge current. Double pressing the mode button switches to the battery chemistry type selection. Pressing the mode button once cycles between normal lead acid, lithium or AGM battery charging modes. Double pressing the mode button switches to cold start on or off mode. In cold start mode, the snowflake symbol is illuminated. Press and hold the mode button once you've finalised your settings to return to the charging mode. The GC150 will run through a brief test cycle, then begin charging. Once the battery is fully charged, charging will cease. Once charging has completed, disconnect the positive, then the negative clamps from your battery. Finally, switch off mains power and unplug the charger.